This tutorial will show you how to install the IR Panoramic Fisheye Network Camera on the ceiling. Before you start, separate the ring-shaped plastic top cover from the fisheye camera. Twist the cover in the direction given by the lock position marks. The cover can be taken off when matching the unlock mark on the camera. Use the drill template to identify the drilling positions and the direction of your camera's view. Use proper tools to drill holes for the cable outlet and screws. Hammering the expansion bolts into the screw holes for later installation. Screwing the supplementary screws to the expansion bolts. Don't go all the way in because the exposed part of the screws will be used as hanging points. Connect the cables and store them over the ceiling through the marked hole. Properly position your camera and mount it onto the screws. Twist it a little bit so it can hang on the ceiling. The design of our fisheye camera's screw slot allows minor adjustments of the angle. Make sure you have the right angle before tighten the screws. Tighten the screws to fix the camera onto the ceiling. Match the mark on the cover to the unlock position and install the cover onto the camera. Twist the cover to the lock position. And the whole installation is complete.